Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Kodak K12 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find passwords and accounts. Also make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here we've got the section accounts for owners, so let's start by adding the account. Let's tap on it and then choose Google. As I said, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and if you wish to set this tablet for your child, just go to next. I don't want to do that. I want to do it for myself, and as you can see, our device will ask us whether we are setting it up for an adult or teen instead, and mark yes. Of course, it depends what you'd like to do. Alright, in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. It might take a while, so just be patient. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do that. And after entering, simply tap on next. So here we've got the verification. Just let me verify myself, and we will proceed. Alright, so here in this section you can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. I can be patient, as you can see. For some reason, Google services have some problems. I'm not sure. All right, so here we can decide whether we want to use the backup. So you can do it, just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And in order to remove it, we have to still open the same section. So passwords and accounts. Here we've got the accounts for owners. So just tap on the account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.